So currently everybody is getting ready for kayaking. I got ready, shorts. अरे क्या? Trick board. No, what is it called? Play board. Wow, so small. People do tricks in this. Yeah. Pandeji, the legend, he's gonna teach me how to skate. I taught him how to skate. We're gonna exchange passions. Alfonso over here, help me with the rope. No hacks. Never lose your GoPros in the water. Never, possible is nothing. Yeah. So, as you can see, the process to go kayaking is a lot hectic, but you know, if you leave it to the professionals, and also going kayaking without knowing anything, and you have to also make sure that you know the person teaching you also is a professional. Am I right, Pandeji? Like Pandeji is a very detailed rescuer and a kayaker. He focuses on every muscle and every technique, so he knows what he's doing and he knows what can happen in the river. So you guys be safe and you guys can come to Inbound Adventure Tours. This is Rishikesh. Can you tell me the address? Tapovan Rishikesh. You can check it out on Google Maps, Inbound Adventures. You can come here, kayak with the professionals, learn from them, and become a kayaker yourself. So the journey starts. I'm fucking excited. How are you feeling?
Yo man,
Heartbeat is fast, but that's what I wanted to feel.
So the smaller shaft,
Okay.
smaller part of the shaft should stay down, like it should point downwards.
Okay.
This is the back face, and this is the power face.
Okay.
So you draw your stroke while doing this. So
Okay.
this is how you hold your paddle, and it should be like equidistant from both ends. So it should be equally spaced
Equally spaced on,
from the edges.
and the stroke should be on this side and not the
Yeah.
back side.
Yeah. It can be from the back, but like forward stroke is like this.
Yeah.
You can also do back paddling.
So Pandeji right now is filling air in the airbag inside the kayak so it doesn't drown. Thank you so much for that. उसमें फूकना मजाक नहीं है, कितना फूकना पड़ता है. That guy's getting ready. This one is currently mine, this one's Gokul's, that one's Pandeji's, and the trick board is
Playboard.
Joey. Playboard.
And I'm not in the camera.
You are in the
You're
camera.
pointing there.
Wide angle, bro. Huh.
helmet,
Helmet.
PFD,
PFD is the bag.
spray deck,
Spray deck.
kayak,
Kayak.
and kayak paddle.
And paddle. These 5 things. ये 5 चीज़ों के बिना रिवर में नहीं जाना है और बिल्कुल भी नहीं जाना है. Said by Pandey ji and said by me too right now.
ये छोटा पड़ेगा
If
ना
you
मेरे
want
Yeah, like
to do kayaking,
yeah, if you want to do kayaking, you surely want to have all of these things, or else please don't go. It's for your life, not for anyone else's sake.
Five, four, three, two, one.
घाट पे जाने का है क्या? वो घाट पे जाना है? अच्छा।
It was fucking insane. I'm out of the water right now. I'm not scared anymore. I'm not scared of the water. I was before. That was a huge river, and you know, I it was kind of hard for me to sense that I was doing it, but then when I got comfortable with it after some time, then it was just there. Thank you guys, Pandeji and Joy. You taught me so well that I didn't drown at all. Like I didn't even flip, roll, which you call in kayaking. So when you roll, you're underwater, stuck in a kayak upside down. That's not good, and that didn't happen at all with me. Because I had good teachers. So if you want to learn kayak, just come down to Rishikesh, come to Tapovan, type down, inbound adventures. You'll meet Pandeji over there. You can say, I saw Shubham's video and, he didn't drown, so maybe I want to. Don't say that. Anyways, thank you guys for watching and please like, subscribe. Blah, 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 blah.